So just wanted to post a quick video. I'm here at Electrified Garage, and I had some extreme tire wear, and I had some squeaking in my front suspension arms on my 2013 Model S, 190,000 miles, time to get some work done. And the what happens was the upper suspension arms, where the I think it's called the is it the ball joint? There's a little rubber piece there. I'll flash a picture up real quick. And what happened was, you know, that was wearing out. He found out the lower suspension arms were also worn out. Tire pressure monitor sensor, 2 new tires, and you can see how, I'll flash that up real quick. You see how worn out those tires were. And so he said it was very dangerous to have those tires wearing like that, which is what the suspension was causing. So that's all been fixed. But Electrified Garage fixed me up. The total was not cheap. It was $3,400, but you know, they always take care of me within a day. I'm in and out. And like I said, I've had this Model S now for 190,000 miles, and I'm way out of warranty, but Electrified Garage is always taking care of me. So my maintenance over the last 5 years that I've had the car, it's a 2013, it's 11 years old, but I've had it 5 years. I've put in a subframe for I think $2,000. I have a $700 air conditioning maintenance, which wasn't really the compressor going bad. It was just a maintenance thing where they cleaned it and charged it up again. And then I had a tail light go out. That was $300. So it really hasn't been that expensive for, I've put basically 100,000 miles on the car since I've had it. And free supercharging for life, free data streaming for life. And I just got the new Spotify app for free, which is pretty cool. That's been put on my car. But I'm still thinking about the Model Y. I'm looking at the S, but when I think about the suspension cost and the, you know, it's got air suspension, and I think about the, what do you call it, the articulated doors, and then also the actuators that are in the front doors. There's a lot more parts in the X, but I really want a 3-row. I do have a small 7-year-old and a 9-year-old, and they could fit in the back of the Y 3-row. So I'm just thinking about that. Anyway, that's a quick summary of my 190,000 mile Model S that I'm probably going to be getting rid of soon. My wife says I can't get rid of it unless I save cash. She won't let me finance anything. She's pretty hardcore financially, which is a good thing. So we're going to save up cash and probably just get a Y. So I'm calculating selling this for about $15,000, and then looking at a Y for around 21,000, maybe 22,000, with the EV tax credit. That EV tax credit, as you know, might be going away soon. So, but we don't know yet. You know, that's all hearsay. So we'll see. Anyway, have a great day and appreciate you guys. The steering is so tight now. It's so, like, literally the car moves the second you move the wheel. Before it had a little bit of Buick, you know, you move it a little bit, but this is like super, super tight now. So all that suspension work has been very well received.